The post-harvest line in the Zderaz cooperative farm designed for cleaning and storing agricultural crops was commissioned in 2012. It was built on the site of the original line, of which only its inlet hopper has been left. There are 4 silos, each with a capacity of 500 tons for storing grain. Grain is cleaned in the vibration screen separator PVT 1020. The post-harvest line was supplied as a complete set, providing for crop intake via conveyors and silos to dispatch bins, including electrical wiring and the line's automatic control by PLC. There is an inlet hopper for taking crops into the post-harvest line. This has been preserved from the original technology. The 12 meters high zinc-plated reception elevator with a capacity of 60 tons is used to transport crops to the cleaner or directly to the grain pump and further on to the silos. A circular distributor above the cleaner is designed for switching the flow of material. The vibration cleaner PVT 1020 with an aspiration channel is located in a jacketed shed, protecting the cleaner as well as its operator against adverse weather. Vibration of the cleaner PVT 1020 is driven by vibration motors with an overall input of 1.1 kilowatt. A spout end is installed above the cleaner, providing for the vertical and appropriately fast flow of material. Material is spread on the screens by a system of channels in the inlet box. Even setting of the flow of grain into the upper and lower cleaning chambers is adjusted by a dividing wedge, which can be set by a regulating screw. Grain is cleaned on 2 screens situated one above the other. The upper one removes large admixtures, whole spikes, straw, lumps of earth and stones. Dust, fractions and particles smaller than a grain are separated on the lower screen. The wire mesh screens made of resistant wire are cleaned by silicone balls. These ensure clean surfaces of the screens even while cleaning problematic crops. Screens may be easily replaced by opening the inlet chamber and pulling out the screens. Rough impurities are drained off by a discharge slide on the left side of the cleaner into a spouting pipe. A small aspiration box designed for aspirating off dust and hulls from waste is mounted at the outlet for minor impurities. Clean material then passes through the aspiration channel PAS1000, where remaining dust, husks and other light particles which have not been removed on the screens are aspirated from the flow of material by a high-pressure radial fan with an input of 7.5 kilowatt. Built-in permanent magnet in the aspiration channel, through which all clean material passes, separates metal impurities. Waste from the cleaner is carried by conveyors into dispatch bin or to a platform lorry. The flap under the clean grain outlet distributes material into the right or left grain pump. These transport cleaned material to the silos. Air from the aspiration channel is cleaned in a centrifugal separator situated above the airlock, providing for correct pressure conditions in the cyclone and its correct functioning. Grain pump is used for loading grain into the silos and unloading it. The post-harvest line has 2 pumps, each operating 1 pair of silos. There are 4 zinc-coated flat-bottomed grain silos in the line, each taking in 500 tons of grain. The silos are equipped with temperature-measuring probes connected to the control system and aerated by radial fans set in the silos' concrete foundations. Grain is transported from the silos into a grain pump and then either to the dispatch bins or to the cleaner. There are 4 dispatch bins in the post-harvest line. A manual slide gate operates the grain outlet. The post-harvest line is run by the SCADA system. Operator switches the machinery on and off by means of an interactive visualization line on the computer screen. The entire line is operated by the PLC control system. Operator is kept up to date on the operation of the machine, both on the computer screen and by signaling controls on the power distribution panel. Revolutions of the electromotors are controlled by frequency converters for fluent operation of the grain pumps. The frequency converters facilitate fluent regulation of motor revolutions, as well as compensation of reactive energy. They provide data for the diagnostication of drives while allowing for easy operation.